Today we are gonna install the white light on the BMW and I'm so excited to do it. But first, a cold start. Well, no cold start because I forgot to press the record button, so no cold start. But she's cold, that's all that matters. She's very cold. Car is in place. The car is in place. So let's get the lights. Oh my god. Also though, sorry if the audio is weird. It's because it's very windy today, okay? Don't get mad at me. It's not my fault. We gotta work with what we have, okay? Good. Let's get the lights. Open sesame. This is content for another video, so ignore this shit. No. The lights are not here. Good. Fuck. Aha. Yeah, at the back seat. So as you guys know, I'm not the smartest person ever, and guess what? I bought. What the fuck is this? I bought 4 boxes of lights. Yeah, this is also content for another video. My bad. But yeah, let's install this and see how this looks. Oh, my head! I just hit my fucking head. Alright, let me set up the camera and then I come back. We're gonna install the I-beams, which is this one, and then the mediums, which is a weird place to install, but we're gonna do it somehow. Alright, let's start by taking this thing off. So you can see, like, it's very not stuck because I already tried the lights to see if they work, and they do. So it should be good here. Let's just pop this out. Oh, you didn't see anything, my bad. So yeah, these lights are a little bit different. They stay in a different way. They're very, very white. For some reason they have this, which I don't know why, but sure, we take it. Now with this, I'm gonna remove these 2 clips because I think this is just using space for no reason. So yeah, that one, easy as that. And perfect. Look. So this one is ready. Now, for the medium lights, it's a whole different story. BMW things, you know? It's goddamn, I just don't understand why they did this. Because you have to turn the goddamn wheel to be able to assess the medium light. That's crazy. So yeah, look. This light, it's here. In this small little box. This might be a little harder than I thought though. How do you even remove this shit? Are you guys okay? Alright, I finally got it. Took me a while though, but I did got it. I don't know why BMW put it here though. Yeah. God, I finally fucking got it, bro. This thing is a nightmare. What the fuck is this, bro? That's so fucking nice, boy. Yeah, I put the negative with the positive. I'm not very smart, I'm very sorry, but yeah. Let's stick this shit inside again. It's not perfect, but it's okay, I guess. So yeah, this one is ready. Now this one, we just need to stick it up inside again. And then we move to the other side. I will just put this one and then I'll show you the before and the after. Oh guys, just look at this difference, man. Yeah, let's do the same on this fucking side. My hands hurt, it's very cold, but bro, totally worth it. Like, totally worth it. It looks so much better now. For some reason I like these headlights, the stock ones. I like them. Alright boys, now we move on to this side, bro. It looks so damn good. Like, Jesus Christ. Like, the other one on the other side was better because I've already took it off. This might be a little bit hot. But it's good because my fingers are collapsing because of the cold. And oh god, if it's cold, Jesus, yeah, like maybe. A lot of patience when working with this. See if you don't break anything. Bang. One more. It's out. And Jesus, it's very cold, guys. It's very, very cold. Like, I want to make more videos like talking and showing you places and things, but I can't, bro. It's too much. Right now it's like 4 or 5 degrees. The problem is not the temperature, the problem is the wind. It's very windy day. And yeah, now I need to know the positive and the negative again. God, I hate this. As we still have the rear lights to put though. So, trying to be as fast as I can here, okay? And God, I hate small spaces, bro. Alright, this one was slightly faster than the other side. Okay, should be okay to just pull it. I'm saying like take this cap, this aluminum cap, but I think it's not worth it. Why not? Okay, now I should just try it, I guess, right? Alright, now that we saw it works, let's just stick this shit inside. It took me a while though, not gonna lie. Like these small spaces are very hard to work with. But yeah, we got it. And now we move to the rear. Oh, nice. Now I don't want to go inside. Alright boys, here's the thing. I was gonna install the rear lights, like the reverse lights, but it's really cold. Like it's 2 degrees outside right now and it's very windy. My hands are getting purple. But I do have an extra mod for you guys. I really can't be outside, but I think the video is too small for you guys and you deserve better. I'm gonna just drink a coffee just to warm my hands because my hands are just falling apart right now. Then I come back and we try to install. I'm going to the gas station, take my coffee, and then I'll come back and try to install this. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. There's people inside looking at me. This might be really stupid because I don't know if I can, but here's what I bought. It's more like, it feels a bit older. I think the design feels a little bit older. It looks really nice. It's bigger. Most people prefer the small ones. I like bigger because my hand is really big. Like I have a really fucking big hand. I was looking for this one even bigger, but the ones I found had lights and I don't want to mess with this car. The electrical part is a nightmare for me because I can't. So yeah, from what I see, technically I should just pull it. Oh god, that's fucked up, I guess. Alright, here's the thing. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is like, well, this. I've been trying for like 20-30 minutes maybe. I'm gonna try to cut it, but I don't want to ruin the shift knob. If one day I buy another car, my girlfriend wants this car because she loves it, so I don't want to ruin it. At the same time, I really need to take this off. I'm gonna keep trying, and once this is ready, I'll come back again. Here's the thing. It's not like my best job. It's not perfect, but it's working. Okay, so I put this first, then I put this over, and now I'm gonna cut the excess around. Not sure if I can. If I can't, well, we're just gonna have to accept it. I'm gonna buy a new. Let's see what I can do. Very patient, very slowly. The zip tie is very tight. Bro, it just started. I can't tell. Oh my god, it's snowing. Boys, it's snowing. It's crazy. There's snow. Guys, I can't really tell why I'm so excited, but yeah. Yeah, let's finish this because I've been here for 1 hour, bro. 1 hour, I'm mad. Look, snow. Alright, zip tie cut. Now, oh god, I'm scared. I'm gonna be really patient here. Take my time. Good thing this cuts really easily. Am I the only one who thinks this looks like shit? But yeah boys, I'm very happy with this though. Such a nice feeling because as you know, I started modding this car within the last 2 weeks I think, and we are like doing nice stuff, you know, like we put the mirror caps, we put the front bars, now we put the shift knob, we put the lights, and all of these small things are adding to my confidence modding a car, and that just feels amazing, you know. So I'm very happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you already know, click that like button, that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next week. Much love, peace, and